The centre on Wednesday notified new wage rates for unskilled manual workers under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act Mgnrega 2005 for the financial year 2024-2025, with Goa seeing maximum hike of 10.56% over the current wage rate and Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand recording the lowest raise of 3.04% each. A report by the Indian Express said the new wage rates notified by the Ministry of Rural Development under subsection 1 of section 6 of Mgnrega 2005 will become effective from April 1st, 2024. As per the notification, the highest rate of 374 rupees per day has been fixed for Haryana, while the lowest 234 rupees per day has been fixed for Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. As far as the state-wise increase over the current year is concerned, Goa has seen maximum hike of 10.56%, taking the wage to 356 rupees per day for the fiscal year 2024-2025 against 322 rupees per day in the current fiscal. In fact, three other states, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, have also seen over 10% hike in the wages. 8 other states have seen a hike below 5%, that is Haryana, Assam, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Rajasthan, Kerala and Lakshadweep. Overall, the wages have seen an average increase of about 7% from the existing all India average wage rate of 267.32 rupees per day to 285.47 rupees per day for the financial year 2024-25. The wage rates are fixed according to changes in the Consumer Price Index Agriculture Labour, which reflects increase in inflation in the rural areas.